What's up, pickleballers? If you're looking to level up your game without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best budget pickleball paddles of 2025. These paddles deliver pro-level control, spin, and performance, all for way less than you'd expect. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a tournament rookie, or just starting out, we've got something here that'll suit your playstyle and your wallet. Links to all the paddles are in the description below, so if something catches your eye, don't forget to check it out. Now let's serve up the list. Starting at number 5. Number 5. DGYQ Carbon Fiber Paddle. Lightweight power, under $50. If you're after precision, power, and shock absorption on a tight budget, this one checks all the boxes. This one, made with carbon fiber for enhanced durability and responsiveness, lightweight, just 8 ounces, for fast volleys and quick wrist action, 16mm honeycomb core for smoother shots and solid control. I especially like the extended handle, which makes two-handed backhands a breeze. It feels like a pro-level design, but priced for everyone. DGYQ Carbon Fiber Paddle. Super lightweight and responsive, great for two-handed play, comfortable grip, even in sweaty matches. So this paddle, perfect for beginners and intermediate players who want premium build without spending big. Number 4. Tenvina Multilayer T700C Carbon Fiber Paddle. This paddle brings high-tech materials to the budget market, and it shows on the court. Key features: Multilayer T700C carbon fiber for max spin and power, THC honeycomb core for awesome sweet spot and stability, available in different shapes and thicknesses to match your style. The matte textured carbon surface offers surprising spin for a paddle in this price range. It's durable, stylish, and built for aggressive players who love control. This paddle, strong spin capability, wide variety of grip shape options, and non-slip synthetic leather grip. I must say, this one, a performance-focused paddle that gives you choices and helps you dominate rallies without draining your bank account. Number 3. STR Core Carbon Paddle. Now this paddle is built like a beast. You're getting tech that rivals paddles twice the price. You know what stands out? Aerospace-grade T700 carbon face, 16mm STR Core polymer honeycomb core, also thermoform design for durability and crisp ball response, 6-layer ultra weave for bigger sweet spot and more energy return. I forgot to say one of the coolest features, a Teflon textured surface that boosts spin by 40%. That's insane, especially at this price point. This paddle offers excellent spin and power, triangular handle for rock-solid grip, built for 250,000 hits, seriously durable. A tournament-ready paddle disguised as a budget option. It hits hard, spins harder, and lasts long.
Amazon just launched its biggest Prime offer ever for young adults.
A 6-month trial at $0. Then you only pay half the regular price.
Click the link in the description, start your $0 trial, and start saving today.
Number 2. Vatic Pro Prism Carbon Paddle. The Vatic Prism Paddle is all about feel and finesse. You know why it's awesome? Cold-molded carbon face equals buttery smooth touch. Foam-injected edge walls equal more control on off-center hits. Polyurethane inserts absorb shock for comfort and feel. This paddle balances power and control so well, it honestly feels like a paddle twice the price. Plus, it's USAPA approved and trusted by PPA pros, which says a lot. And also, exceptional control and finesse, comfortable on the wrist, top-tier materials. So if you're all about shot placement and resets, the Prism is your secret weapon on a budget. Number 1. Selkerk SLK Halo Control Max, the best budget paddle in 2025. Coming in at number 1, this is the best overall value paddle you can buy today. The Selkerk SLK Halo offers T700 raw carbon fiber for elite level spin and control, 16mm Rev Core polymer core for solid power and a soft feel, cushioned faux leather grip for all-day comfort, USAPA approved for tournament play. This thing is balanced, comfortable, consistent, and powerful, all in one sleek design. This paddle, massive sweet spot, great grip feel and comfort, pro-level spin and touch. If you want a paddle that feels premium, plays like a pro tool, and still fits a budget, the SLK Halo is your go-to in 2025. There you have it, the top 5 best budget pickleball paddles of 2025. From the ultra-precise Selkerk Halo to the versatile Vatic Prism and all-arounders like DGYQ and STR Core, there's a paddle here for every playstyle and every budget. Links to all these picks are in the description below. Go check them out and find the one that fits your game. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest product breakdowns, and drop a comment. Which paddle are you picking for your next match? Until next time, keep smashing and stay winning. This is Consumer Heaven. Peace out.